head's feeling watery again, elusive spinning thing. Crack the whip and watch me spin. Did you wake up crying again like a broken instrument? One crushed reedy note escapes my lips, and between the knowing and not knowing there's a wide and deep abyss. I'd rather plummet through the gap than to wait in painful submission. It's a special kind of helplessness. Oh, object of my affection, abject by definition. You bright and blameless are blinding me in near perdition. I'm allocating borrowed time to fleshing out my worst desires, playing house in homes that aren't my own, to see just what it might feel like. Now I've got vice grips as the steering wheel, 'cause I burned out the interior. Yes, I torched the bridge and set the car on fire. Could you hold your hand to the flame without pulling away, without throwing all your chips in, just to get out of the game? Between the knowing and not knowing, there's a wide and deep abyss. I'd rather plummet through the gap than send the weight and painful